jumping through the
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's do moisturizer first. I saw Korean makeup on Pinterest and wanted to try it, so let's start. For primer, I am using this much quantity, and don't forget this area. For foundation, I am using two shades. One is my shade, but it's little dusky and percent. I am using the downwards technique to blend the foundation. Now the lighter shade. I am using this at the center of my face to brighten these areas, and this really makes the makeup look bright and fresh vibe, and that's what I want to take. I'm using concealer for my eyes for the base to stick longer. To start the base, I'm using setting powder, so the base is ready. For eyeshadow, I'm using a pink shade. You can use any shade except it has to be a lighter pastel. Here I'm using a lighter shade than the previous one to get the ombre effect. Also apply the product under your eyes. Now take a thin brush and apply under your waterline with the brown shade and be light with it. For aggressor, I am squinting my eyes and draw a line there. After, you can blend with your finger as well. Then a kajal-less eyeliner. Now for powder contour, I am using an eyeshadow. Now I will take a cream contour and take it out like this on the both sides. Now apply a beige shades on the inner corners. For the blush, I am using a light pink shade at the center of my cheeks and then a darker one. Now I am curling my lashes. For mascara, do individual lashes as always, and don't forget your lower lashes. So the lips are very important. A brown shade first and a little red and some gloss if you want. So the makeup is done.
말해봐 다 어서 다 cause I'm not shy